Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is day 2 of Vedic Maths series. In day 1 we have completed a square trick of Vedic Maths. I will provide you the link of that video in the description box, so please check that and do that technique in your mind, and I am guaranteed that you would be able to do that technique in mind and you will get the answer just in 2 seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead with today's video. So today we are going to complete a multiplication technique of Vedic Maths. Before starting the video, I would like to tell that if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more videos. Today we are going to learn multiply by 11 by Vedic Maths technique. Let's say that we want to do 52 multiplied by 11. So here our first step is we will write 5 as it is. Our second step is we will write 2 as it is. Now our third and final step, we will do addition of both of this number. 5 plus 2, which is 7. So our final answer is 572. Let's take another example. Let's say that we want to do multiplication of 63 multiplied by 11. First step, we will write 6 as it is and 3 as it is. Third and final step is we need to do addition of these two numbers. 6 plus 3, which would be 9. 693 is your final answer. Let's take one more example. 45 multiplied by 11. Write 4 as it is, 5 as it is. Third and final step, do addition of 4 and 5, which would be 9. 4, 9, 5. This is your final answer. Now let's say that we want to multiply 11 and 48. So here first we will write 4 and then second step is we will write 8. Okay. Now our third step is 4 plus 8, which would be 12. But 12 is 2-digit number. So what will we do? Here we will just put 2 as it is and 1 will carry forward with 4. So 4 plus 1, which would be 5. 5 to 8 is your final answer. Now let's go ahead with how to do 3 digits multiply by 11 in mind just in 2 seconds. Let's do 143 multiply by 11. So from 143 we will write 1 as it is. Our second step is we will do addition of 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 is 5. So we will write 5 as it is. Third step is we will do addition of 4 and 3. 4 and 3 is 7. So we will write 7 as it is. And our third and final step is we will write 3, last digit of 143, 3 as it is. So 1573 is your final answer. Let's take one more example. Let's do 432 multiplied by 11. So we will take first digit of 432 and we will write it as it is. So we will write 4. Then our second step is we will do addition of 4 and 3. 4 and 3 is 7. So we will write 7. Our third step is we will do addition of 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. We will write 5. Our fourth and last step is we will write the last digit as it is, which is 2. So we will write 2 as it is. So here 4752. This is your final answer. Next, 978 multiplied by 11. Our first step is we will write 9 from 978. Second step is we will do addition of 9 and 7. 9 and 7 would be 16. So temporarily we will write 16. Third step is we will do addition of 7 and 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. And here we will write 8 as it is. Now here we are able to see there is a problem. What's the problem? Here two digits are coming, 16 and 15, but we are not supposed to write 16 as it is and 15 as it is. Then what we will do? Let's see. You need to write 8, last digit 8 as it is, okay? Now in 15 you would just write 5, okay? And the 1 of 15 would be carry forward to 16. So 16 plus 1, that would be 17. Okay, and here also in 17 there is 2 digits. So we will carry forward this 1 with 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1078 is your final answer. This is your exercise. If you get the answers correct, then comment your answer. As you know, this was one of the Vedic Maths technique, and I am Vedic Maths trainer. I have teach more than 500 of students in last 1 year. I also provide Vedic Maths live training. If you want to join it, I will provide you the number on the screen.